નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is 17th part and I can say this is the last part of this chapter. The chapter is 6th. Name of the chapter is Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor of Standard 5th Mathematics, isn't it? By this time we are solving the tiling problems, isn't it? And we are on the page number 98. So open page number 98 in your textbook, keep a pencil with you and let's start to understand this problem first of all. Then after we will answer this question. Okay? So what is the question? See, because the length of the question is too much, it is too big, that is why I did small letters. You may read it from your textbook itself. I am reading from here. Rani, Geeta and Nasima live near each other, isn't it? They live near each other. The distance from their house to the road is 90 feet. Rani, Geeta and Nasima live very nearby to each other and distance from their home to the road is how many feet? 90 feet. Okay. They decided to tile the path to the road. They all bought tiles of different designs. फिर उन लोगों ने क्या डिसाइड किया? Let's tile the path to the road. मतलब कि अपने घर से रोड तक का जो पाथ है उसके ऊपर टाइल्स रखने को चाहा. ओके, let's tile the path to the road. They all bought tiles of different designs and length. अब तीनों अलग अलग है, या तो तीनों ने अलग अलग डिजाइन और अलग अलग लेंथ की जो टाइल है वो पास थी या तो खरीद ली. रानी bought the shortest tile. Rani bought the shortest tile. Geeta bought the middle-sized one. And Nasima bought the longest. one. रानी ने shortest सिलेक्ट किया. फिर गीता ने मिडल साइज सिलेक्ट किया और नसीमा ने लॉन्गेस्ट साइज सिलेक्ट किया. If they could tile the path without cutting any of the tiles. What is the size of the tiles each has bought? Suggest 3 different solutions. Explain how you get this answer. तो अभी तो हमने क्या करना है, पहले तो ये समझना है the length of the path is 90 feet. अब तीनों जो टाइल्स लेके आई है उसके 3 सजेशंस हमने करने हैं. ठीक है, जैसे हमने we did in the last 2 problems, first and second. First of all, we should find out the factors of the 90, isn't it? And then it is possible to answer this question. So you should know how to find out the factors. Okay, by this time what we will do, we will answer this question and we'll try to understand this answer together. Okay, so let's try to answer this question first of all. See, so let's answer this question. The distance from their house to road, from to road. The distance from their house to road is 90 feet, isn't it? We know the distance is 90 feet. So factors of 90. So of 90. Now we should know the factors of 90. So first of all, the smallest factor always will be 1. Listen to me very carefully. The smallest factor of any number will be 1, and the biggest or highest factor of that number is the number itself. So the smallest factor is 1. So 190s are 190, isn't it? So these are the one of the factors. Then is it possible to divide 90 by 2? Yeah. So let me write 2 multiplied by 45. Then it is possible to divide 90 by 3. That is why 3 multiplied by 30. Is it possible to divide 90 by 4? No. But 5, with 5 we can divide 90. So 5 multiplied by 18. We can divide 90 by 6 also. So the other factor is 6 multiplied by 15. And we can divide this 90 by 9 also. So the other factor is 9 multiplied by 10. So these are the factors of 90. Okay. Now let's answer some more. Means see 1, then 2, then 3, 5, 6, 9. 3, 5, 6, 9. Then यहाँ से वापस आइए 10, 15, 18. 10, 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. 30, 45 and 90. See, I write down the factors. किसे लिया? See, पहला नंबर लिया. See, 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Then 6, 9. 6, 9. फिर वापस आना है सेकेंड लेटर. 10, 15, 18. 10, 15, 18. Then 30, 45 and 90. 30, 45 and 90. Okay. So likewise you go and also write. So what is the problem? You know, I cannot complete this answer over here. So let me wipe out this one. Okay. So let me wipe out this one and then I will answer. Okay, so now let's go further. So the tiles bought by Rani. So the tiles bought by Rani, Geetha and Nasima. Geetha and Nasima can be shown different can be shown in three different ways. As follows. As follows. अब पहले let's write for Rani's tiles. पहले रानी जो कि सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट टाइम ली थी, है ना, रानी ने, तो व्हाट इट कुड बी दी रानी स्टाइल्स. तो इसमें सबसे जो छोटे नंबर है, isn't it? 1 feet, है ना, जो छोटे फैक्टर है, ओके, द स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर. वी विल गो फॉर द टाइल्स विथ स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर. So what it could be the tiles, the measure of the tiles of Rani, it can be 1 by 1, it can be 1 by 2, and it can be 1 by 3. You can see all these 1, 2 and 3, all these are the factors of, you can see 1, 2 and 3, all these are the factors of 90. Only we can take, or we can go for the factors only of 90. Else other numbers we cannot write. So Rani's tiles is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 feet. Now let's write for Geetha's Geetha's tiles. That is, go for 2. It can be 2 by 2. It can be 2 by 3. Okay. It can be 3 by 3. Okay. So Geetha got 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 3 tiles, and here also you can see all these are the factors. Now the last one, that is Nasima's tiles. What Nasima board? Let's see. It can be now 5, 6. You can go for 5 and 6. So it can be 5 by 5. It can be 5 by 6. And it can be 6 by 6. And see, Rani bought the shortest tile, that is 1 by 1. Then Geetha bought middle size, that is 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, and Nasima bought the longest one, that is why 5 by 5, 5 by 6, and all, whatever it is there, but all should be the factors of 90. Why? Because if it is the factor of the 90, then and there we will not have to cut the tiles to tile on the road. Otherwise, if the other number, the other which is not a factor of the 90, and if we will buy that number, that size tile, then naturally we will have to cut that, isn't it? So this could be the answer of this question, and I hope you must have understood each and everything. Whatever it is there, you must have understood the मल्टीपल्स फैक्टर्स. वो मल्टीपल्स को पिता और फादर, फैक्टर्स को चिल्ड्रन. डू यू नो, इन द लास्ट पार्ट वी डिस्कस like that also you may understand, and do not forget to recite the tables. Okay, with this we are ending this part, as well as this is the end of our chapter also. We'll meet you in the next chapter. Till then, recite the tables, try to understand these problems, and if you could not, watch this video many times. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.